what do you think is meant by multimodal? That's the common answer given to that question. That's why I asked the question. Everyone says that, different modes of transport. If that was the case, then I submit to you, everything is multimodal. Not so. How do you get the goods from your factory to the port? By road or rail, not so. And then it's on the sea, and then it's road and rail this side. Isn't that multimodal? So then everything is multimodal. That's not what is meant by multimodal. Multimodal is a specific service offered by shipping lines. Okay? And this is multimodal. This is the official definition of what is multimodal. More than one mode of transport on one transport document. That's a key to understanding multimodal. And by the way, we must understand multimodal to understand Incoterms, which we're going to speak about in a few minutes. More than one mode of transport on one transport document. Now, can I just clarify that? We spoke about marine or ocean bills of lading, not so. What is a marine bill of lading again? If I had to give you a bill of lading here and ask you, is this a marine bill of lading, yes or no, what would you look at? If it said Cape Town to Rotterdam, by the way, no bill of lading says marine or ocean on the top. It just says bill of lading. So how do you know whether, if it says Cape Town, Rotterdam, what is this?
Port to port.
So what is it? It's a marine bill of lading. You deduce that from the ports, not so. And if it said Cape Town, Rotterdam, Alexandria, what is this?
It's 3. Yeah, it's still a bill of lading because they still go from port to port. It's just longer with more stops.
Is it still a marine bill of lading? It's a marine bill of lading with transshipment. Okay. Is it multimodal? No, because are there two modes of transport on that bill of lading? Cape Town, Rotterdam or sea. Rotterdam, Alexandria is sea. It's not multimodal service. Okay. Now, just to keep it to destinations we know, I'm sitting in Johannesburg as an importer, all right? Okay, sorry. Before I get to that. Now we come to this carrier haulage. Take that Krugersdorp company. In the beginning, they were doing merchant haulage here, all right? So their bill of lading was, I can't remember where it was coming from in Europe, but their bill of lading was, I'm going to call it Rotterdam, Durban, all right? Then they were doing their private thing. So they lodged the CTO, and for the port, not so, container terminal order. Remember we spoke about that document this morning. The port takes it off. Then they had their private haulier charging them 15,000 Rand to move the container to Joburg. Are we with that? Was all of that reflected on the bill of lading? Got nothing to do with the shipping line. So there would be the road haulier would have private documents that he does here. So you've got a bill of lading for the sea and a road transport document for the road. Separate documents. Can you call this multimodal? No. Because it's two different documents. All right. Now we say to the shipping line, we want you to do carrier haulage. In my example, the bill of lading still said Rotterdam to Durban. Now the shipping line does an extra for you. So now they lodge the CTO and they arrange for the transport. They do this on separate documents. It's not on the bill of lading. But now instead of it being done privately, it's being done by the shipping line as per their contracts. Is this multimodal? No, it's not. Why? Because there's a bill of lading for the sea and a road or rail transport document for the overland. Okay, are we clear on that? Now, and I didn't do this with this company, but the next thing for this company would be to say, let's forget about this carrier haulage business that you are doing. Just provide me with a multimodal service. And the shipping line says, yeah, there's a multimodal service. We will give you a service, door to door. Now what happens is the bill of lading says, place of loading here, port of loading Rotterdam, port of discharge Durban, final destination Krugersdorp. All of that is on the bill of lading. So if that's the case, do we need to worry about carrier haulage? No, we don't. It's a higher level service, not so. What type of service are they offering now? This is a multimodal service. Why is this now a multimodal service? Because the bill of lading says wherever the goods are coming from in Holland, okay, to Rotterdam, not so. The bill of lading says so-and-so to Rotterdam, okay. The bill of lading says Rotterdam to Durban. The bill of lading says Durban to Krugersdorp. Are you with that? So the bill of lading is no longer just a sea transport, it's a road and rail transport document on either side. More than one mode of transport on one transport document. That is a multimodal service.